Morning everybody. Today we study about the living world adaptation and classification. In the last video we have to study about that adaptation in plants, different types of plants, aquatic plant. Also we have to study about adaptation in desert plant, adaptation in plant of snowy region, adaptation in plant of forest region, and also adaptation in grassland plants. Now all that's are adaptation about the plants we have to learn in last period.
इकडे ये
Today we are going to study about
आता हे पुढचं फ्रीज कसं
adaptation in
घ्यायचं?
animal. There are different types of animal like aquatic animal, terrestrial animal, amphibious animal. These are the given group of animals. How do they adjust with the surrounding for the survival? All living things are to adjust with their surrounding. That is the adaptation. Now today we have to study about that. There is a adaptation in animal. Example, fish.
Adaptation in animal. Animals are terrestrial, aquatic. Animals classified based on habitats, food habits, characteristic, their body structure. Animals have vertebral column, wings, gills, tails, etc. etc. Now, from your textbook, page number 4, there is an example of adaptation in animal. That is the fish live in the water and their body is covered with the scale on their skin. Their bodies taper both the end for the purpose to swimming. Gills for the breathing. That is the adaptation. The given animal live in the water. That's why their bodies adjust with the water, and that is the adaptation of fish inside the water. You have to collect the more information about animals and plant from the given website like www.mbzinet.net. Second point is that adaptation in a forest and grassland. Animals are living in the forest, and these animals are mainly classified in two groups, carnivorous and herbivorous. If there is a grass, there is a herbivorous animal, and if there is a herbivorous animal, there is a carnivorous animals are present. Now example, tiger. Tiger have padded paws. Eyes are located in the front of their head to help them to spot their prey from long distance. In the other side, there is a herbivorous animals. Their eyes are below the forehead for wide angle vision and protect from predator. Their legs are long with strong hooves. They have a long and freely moving ear for receiving sound from a long distance. Means all these are the characteristic of carnivorous and herbivorous animal. For adjustment with the environment, for the movement in that environment, all their body structure is to be developed. Now third point is that adaptation in desert animal. In the desert there is a very less water available. That's why these animals have thick skin, and this thick skin protect from the loss of water from the body. Their nostrils, नाकपुड्या, त्यांच्या जे नाकपुड्या जे आहेत, they are protected by fold of skin. Their eyes and their eyelashes are long and thick. In a desert area, some animals like rat, snake, spider, lizard are available, but they live in deep burrow during the daytime and active at night. That is the adjustment with the surrounding, because there is a hot temperature in a daytime